PSG prepare say nyame ya adoma Wednesday. Luis Enrique on a crucial meeting training grounds. No we na Luis Enrique be confirmed no as the head coach of Paris Saint-Germain. Luis Enrique at the Barcelona edge treble.
That there's a nasem na okay.
And nasem na make.
Omudi Lucho ban.
Okay. Na meeting ni be koso. Omuni players no senior players no more set up ni na Marquinhos mo be ba obi abegina mu bi. Na omayi na timi e de actual players na ma players na we say next coach omuni ne ba be di jumani Luis Enrique. Treble winner with FC Barcelona. Yenim ne exploit with the Spanish national team. Ene nyoma wetimi aye wo AS Roma and Sacramento na nei or say babaka or babegina mu e de mama Paris Saint-Germain. Ya wish him all the best and next season you be here on also the standard obetimi di team friend Paris Saint-Germain akwa do in terms of style of play dominance even in the league and at the same time no you be Champions League the obesity reflect Emmanuel Mako ye diamano. Then you look at this particular player friend Lut Charel Gertruda obi osi a kind me friend no obeka sanka player we say there ka friend no dey ke fa ho bay but abu Leipzig any abrante we agree personal terms or more agree personal terms in only shows one thing say Josko Vadiol ever be PM Manchester City.
Oh, okay.
The replacement in
SOMPA Sports.
The replacement RB Leipzig ni. Leipzig any na agree personal terms omo try to find a fee agreement between omo and the Feyenoord. Then omo nya confirm boy we say so assign the Ama Leipzig. Manchester City will confirm so Musa Vadiol.
Oh, okay.
So that is the deal going on. Your friend no Lot Charel Gertruda. Or a centre back.
Wow.
When a Leipzig for turn it in the replace a branch of Josko Vadiol.
Oh, okay.
Iti Abu on only deal no any confirmed that Vadiol has already moved to Manchester City on be confirming. Then Manchester United are confirming Mason Mount and Anope officially. Now akwakoye Heka ana Mason Mount we bad being or ba any medicals that we finishing the BBI and the medicals in Neri. Now the secret behind everything there say Ten Hag already had a personal relationship with Mason Mount. Abraham Mason Mount of Vitesse Ahem. Ahem was very much closer to Tower Ten Hag enyini wo editina and Shuda. Now e hono no enyini ye no ana onyankita wudie with Mason Mount Abraham no si akade ba Vitesse Ahem. Now omo di nkomodo ache pa mi se no Felice okobetimi abante we kwa ba pie mu oye ayas amana ba be si akade man ana ntimi materialize. But monitor na free days ah wode aba be pie mu wo Chelsea a wo se bo no homode de ma Chelsea. And when he said this time around, there is a chance so bit my fan no man about see a kind of man and no press it forward. No friend no catch the same Mason Mount. Me Judy, me so bet my positions bebro and 9. It me do ba. Aha, ubetimi aboa me say. Aha, ubetimi ahye ha. Ubetimi a perform say at this level. The wo mu nyina na metimi aboa ama netimi abasoro. And the convince Mason Mount say NS adia oba be see a kind of Manchester United. And Ten Hag so push for players. Our mobile fight it, some baby see a kind of Manchester United. And your first now this all patch one and a player no, I'm be see a kind of this time around, Ten Hag feels to say on your players they will fight for their way towards coming to Manchester United. And no, everyone in Jumae et me abafuka kradia mano. 18 Mason Mount. You look at what went on behind the scenes now. Ten Hag pushes some Monfano. Klopp would have loved some Kobenya Mason Mount. Ateta would have loved some Kobenya Mason Mount. I'll meet me there almost see a kind air next season. But Abrante Nankasa opte say obabisi akan e de Manchester United.
Your coach na follow nache.
Coach na follow nache. Ana coach ni nya na pes o hia ne pa.
Okay. And na Liverpool for ni Arsenal de na
amfa no. Yes. And Manchester United train say in your person they will vital a crucial part of this particular system. Ateta even wanted him not necessarily say be an compare ka have but onya amount akobetna England London honoma kobefano even kebi akaka have it kwa no movie an kan kopie mo ye Arsenal said no city here no. But you know Manchester United have your man Ten Hag has his man. Then you look at Liverpool SC 50 million there. Abu Dhabi. Anope ya o ma brief James PS mo wa ba bonti abeka cho mo se sika 7 there. 50 million in the award team. You crop on so much. So much.
Romeo Lavia 50 million there no wedding.
Abusu Romeo Lavia there.
50 million no wedding.
In the current market, I will never complain about a player penny price.
Are we 50 million pounds?
Abu, me say in the current trend and the market, I will never complain about. I will never complain about such a fee. It's the seller's market. There be a bishop now can around.
Oh, can't. But who there? This is the last time I'm no ding. You know, first no copy player. Obehwenim fee. Obe consider no.
Aye.
Obe he baby u fever no.
Aha.
Ahwe ti say baby o. Na baby job kan ya
na experience ni potential and the quality.
The level no na we do no.
Yeah.
Once a grade be all no we or the worry e ko body we pay 50 million.
Abu is the seller's market and there's a little you can do about it. To kono about price now pano be fa pano.
Na we jai ko.
Sa no mutie.
Oh okay.
Abu it is Liverpool the mama ya SSS Canada. Oma pro sa omuntimi entwi that particular amount of money. Arsenal afi the structure no omatimi ne West Ham agree ama bibia de dedi. Abu Dhabi Arsenal the 24 months and e betwe sika no in 3 installments. 24 months which is approximately 2 years. And no ana team friend Arsenal e de betwe 100 million pounds. 100 million pounds add-ons ne be because add-ons no more or less like omoje trophies and Declan Rice a lot of matches e dey ama e team a your friend Arsenal. But you look at Declan Rice the money more about see akadama sam but explain this and your ma we na pen and in the BBA it a branch of Declan Rice say structure ne dey BBA nyasi Arsenal the 24 months and e betwe scan in 3 installments and no na ye hwe na Abu and run yet a lot of issues and when we na we say Arder Guler be ko basa forces say ade na kwa dane kwa himfa kwa kosi himfa Abu die tie nyina no this particular deal nim ne ya say Ali Koko no ne eye Fenerbahce panyin no Otama Brante we say ne opapa ne na busuafo kaka de ne kotena ne ya chiso kakra na Ali Koko na kasa ska wa kasa oka take ankasa mo ye world pa na kakra na oka wo bi na they tried their best to convince Abrante so ontena na nkomo pesika kakra mfanye dey emfa na nka one season kan wa na ma ton na ma de ye dey e ma ne contract na nkasa be 2025.
Oh okay.
Arder Guler nkasa ne contract e be 2025. Na eno mu na dako na tufa e ko pie mu e wo Istanbul e ko didi nkoma san ko be make sure san kan sabeti maka Abrante but the terms of Barcelona de ko ye ne ye say komo fa Abrante we say na nkoma ma na bo 1 year e wo Fenerbahce na nkoma be fa no be me say de o man contact one ye say Barcelona anya na adwen say nkomo say Abrante we aka first payment kra be ko this year
o man kan bibisa
Derby Barcelona adwen no mafani na na ye say nka first payment na skani nyina kwampo be ko aka be ko Abrante no every club ni mu ana obo 1 year no Fenerbahce a ofiri ono ma Barcelona no ana o betwa say skani dia ye dey e dey ama Fenerbahce that was what Barcelona proposed the Abrante no and as at then now Real Madrid didn't share and show a clear intent or more intent say but seriously we want to get him and Abibisa. Now Real Madrid are relaxing. Real Madrid come no more your Madrid so be remove to the market. Now Abrante we say no more here say can next season now come akoye dey. Makako push if say Barcelona and San cano no bet na Real Madrid focus in any say come more Mbappe situation dey be happen within the next few months. So betima sign and so muntimi signer. Then they will move on and make sure somebody might we see another target and no betima akwano. Na omo kwan na da ho ne de konkomo na wakodidi na ana Califat say there be ade we say ne ye de hu wura mu a ye betimi afa 17.5 million euros de abo enye ska bia de maye e obi salary Real Madrid ne etena se na se tam de mana e sakra betimi aye de aka etie ne yenko ne first kan nkoto mo se Barcelona se 1 year no de betwe ska na ye di ska na be de ebe mo mu sisi aya munyi ska na kra mo de ne ye ma mo 17.5 no ye de bi sa so peso se munyi 20 na mo fanto se de be ya e kan kitinkiti bi wo ho a anase all movie from Turkey or Deba no say bia papers won sensem bi na wo se etweska bi de ya mo de bia ye den asoso aye na Abrante na afi na mo be free abeka che say akawe mo nyi we na mo fanye na no mo de to ho no ma na Fenerbahce for hwe ade ni din na ni nyina chi no mo nim say afi na mo be free akora na ka che ne say Real Madrid di say na abo omo free akora no kwa na say California akora no so ne papa di nkomo da etimi a convince Abrante ne say ke hia on so ba be si akade ama Real Madrid ye betua sika no banka ye de nke susu ye ne ya adwemu ne say ankatena Fenerbahce for 1 year scan de ye betua itikatena ne bo 1 year no obo 1 year ni wi a no aba Madrid no aba be den no aba be si aka na Abrante ne say dabi ye ne mo sit ozil na dressing room ni edi nkomo a o ka Real Madrid won say bebrede ye den e de kire o de na bra bom tuyefo ono so ye player me idolize no iti me hwe de Real Madrid situation ne tie ne de abo project ni sititie na me ntina ha say 1 year no me a me pese me tu anamo na me ye den me ba na me besi akan e de mamo me age ne de bia mboka se mi so ade ba ma ye ready se me tima ba besi akan e de amamo this season ama me say timi de akan and na Abrante ne catch Real Madrid dem Real Madrid feel so much confidence that this particular deal is a done deal for them on betimi de Abrante na ba be pie mu ama na ba besi akan e de amamo na Abrante we left footed they believe say after Frank Ribery the kind of hype any the way I know city sina kan e wo the Turkish league at some point in time when the 20s, early 20s, more Galatasaray. Omuni said this boy comes closer to that particular level of quality. At that time, now Abrante friend of Frank Ribery, also dominating in the Turkish league in a very younger age. Now, Omuni said Frank Ribery, Abrante will say a bit more Real Madrid. And also, for the national team at his age, what team making sure so about at least 5 games can put their more consistently. He's proving doubters wrong. And Adeba kwa more money team jin who ye say apart from idea who is a ball tare na no as I say glue no. What the no ton chair. The off the ball intensity will provide whenever he's told to defend. Something or believe is worth it. Or Gavi stature, now her Gavi in the height in the Nyoma Bia. But you all was no ajibodi from who believes a branch we say no. Sam or tackle here. Petrobus was so I said no fambo no they call say ya no ibody they few him. And it makes Real Madrid feel say the only thing they bet me branch is successful in their club is the mentality and consistency who bet me danedi. Amana babisi akada man. Real Madrid had mu crampo and Kebia Germany loan deal be crab bet me for be a Dortmund be and I ask a branch and say they be Menya kasa ma bebo Abama Real Madrid de ma bebo.
Only wa agree me una de mekai.
Okay why?
I say you Canales.
Yeah.
What be now no fee. Racing Center that. So also benkum say ya no bo pa. You say the bo wa ma bi akwado you abrese tam me no no.
But you see the biggest doubt about this particular deal is a penny age no. And the standard at Real Madrid. Real Madrid is one particular club abu omo level of demand no. Enye no other clubs need any bill. Real Madrid is a club where you even fail to win the Champions League as a coach clan as a season. No one major trophy clan. Wasuti miyeshi. What do one clan here performance the clan said and so any clan yetimi day. Eja kwama oko. And they have no mercy for any superstar because Cristiano Ronaldo can do maybe an performance in Koikro. And this is Real Madrid. The question that we are asking ourselves when you say, Obetimia Triviana, Obetima Babe, one of the star men at Real Madrid. And that dream one, I saw that is Obetima Babe Nana. The question I'm for we say, and I say, we'll be catching and say, Ebia, Kamavinga or Hope and age, you know, Nyome Koye, the man Vinicius, by who Rodrigo, by who all of them no more pick up Vava de Mo, Rafael Varane, Munina, by Sa, Bomo, Oma pick up, or Metima Bomo money. Then there's another side where you have the likes of Martin Odegaard, you have the likes of Kubo. When Ibrahim Diaz Campo Bass, I said, now Kolona, Koba, and San Wayede, Oba. And you look at the position of Branty, a friend or Egula, so bo. Any baby will fit in this particular setup when it comes to Real Madrid. They say Real Madrid right wing in the 2 players in the Chebo, Valverde and Rodrigo. And the right wing in the ball. Valverde, who had Calancelotti system, no 4-4-2 on the right wing, you know. And Rodrigo now the Babe a Babe born to only Rodrigo, and a branch of Valverde in the pre-position. Then you come to the number 10. About the number 10, if Calancelotti decide to use Tchouaméni this particular season, Tchouaméni plays more, you look at Luka Modric on Mumbai. More in that particular playmaking role in that particular number 10. Now, Arder Guler so also same kakano. Let's not forget Brahim Diaz. Set that particular position and also try a lot. It Arder Guler will need to do a lot. Also, team making sure so be yen yoma hudo be Briansana. What team has maintain move and also betima maintain stay or Real Madrid. Now what team are fulfilling the potential now person is Satimika. A good sign about you see Barcelona for the Hoka class and the Arder Guler. Abu it's all balls down to Sikasem. Ever since last season, yeah, Casache Barcelona for no money say be a grown yedi.
But United Zoko.
Arder Guler Derby.
Sir. What was it was so crowded as or
Abu Derby.
Abu Dhabi.
Derby.
Sofia Amrabat now for me.
Abu, how say Dodo na kasa bebre say Manchester United abede for some Sofia Amrabat. The issue here is Manchester United bede for Amrabat.
Sir.
Omon bede for Amrabat. The only player Manchester United Eddie Skerko, Abrante Fernando Nana. Manchester United £39 million, which is 45 million euros. And echo. It was a verbal proposal. What makes Manchester United and Kofo Mudiachi convinced about this deal say 39 betima ede Onana Bama United years after the verbal proposal no Manchester United prepare an official bid. The question becomes the verbal proposal no man tia say identity was say the official bid is also come and I try rating the come and you feel say the 45 million euros no they will come to a conclusion like 45 no or the monfa my na monfa 5 on count any day any add-ons to say Messi Mount the no muko jai 55 in the day at one at Chelsea so the 55 in the day ya so but monfa 5 million add-ons in the day and count it looks like Manchester United the 439 which is 45 million euros or the 2 ma Inter Milan because e be omonje o mekwa basa na Inter Milan catch so the monfa 5 million add-ons in the day and count now is 50 million.
And your nana they are see over.
It's Andrew Nana or Manchester United priority target CC. Manchester United heard the strikers market now. Abu, maybe a Gina CC no a and players and your man that almost. And these are things Manchester United have been doing for a long period of time. Are big mistakes. Don't think that team of Frankfurt a value column 1 is 75 million euros and also Atlanta value Holland by bare 60 million euros. I call the latter part of the transfer window a bit more for Sanama Nasisa. Because in their position, getting to the latter stage of the transfer window, no, won't pray who striker or striker assign. It is a good delay now. It will be like Anthony's situation, no, and you pay over the odds.
Mate, Merasepa, Michael Akomeah Messiah on